Hello, dear kids. Now we are going to discuss chapter 9 from your NSO Olympiad workbook. Let's start. Chapter name is Air, Water and Rocks. In this chapter, topics covered are components of air, uses and properties of air, things that make air impure, source and uses of water, things that make water impure, rocks and minerals. Let's start. Air is all around us. We all know that. Living things need air to breathe. Yes, we need air for breathing. Do you know which type of gas we use in breathing? Oxygen. We inhale. And what we exhale? CO2, carbon dioxide, we exhale and inhale oxygen. Air contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs also. Excess of smoke, dust and germs make the air impure. So, how air makes impure? With the smoke, dust and germs. Breathing impure air can make us sick. I already told you that we breathe from air because in air oxygen is present. When we breathe air, then these impurities, smoke, dust, germs, they all are also come inside to our lungs. Air has weight, give shape, fill up space and move things. When we fill air in a balloon, it gets shape. We all know that. Okay. So it can get shape. It takes space actually. It fills space. So moving air is called wind. What is wind? When the air is moved fast, that is called wind. Gently moving wind is called breeze. In the morning, when we go out for morning walk, you can feel that breeze. That is gentle moving wind. And a very strong wind is called storm. So here we learn about three terms. What is breeze, what is wind and what is storm. So moving air is wind. Gentle moving air like in the morning is known as breeze. And very strong wind is called a storm. So next is, this is a cock. Weathercock indicates direction of moving wind. This is cock. This is known as weathercock actually. This is North Pole, South Pole, East Pole, West Pole. In the direction which cock moves, that is the direction of the wind. Wind helps to dry clothes, move sailboats, carry seeds to new place, etc. What is you can see that a girl is drying clothes and she is hanging the clothes on the rope with the help of clips. When the wind blow, the clothes will be dry up easily and fast. That also help in moving sailboats. Like this is, do you know, this is sailboat. Like this, there is a sailboat. In the sailboat, there is the curtain and the curtain moves with the help of air only and carry seeds to new places. When a plant, a flower which has seeds, when the wind blow, their seeds flew away and carry by the air from one place to another and they germinate another plants. So wind also help in germination of plants. Living things need water. We all know that. Water comes from rain and melting of snow on mountains. This water fill up lake, river, etc. Some of it goes deep into the soil. That is called groundwater. So what is groundwater? Which goes deep into the soil. Washing and bathing in rivers, throwing waste into it, make the water dirty. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. We all know that. When we drink dirty water, we get infected by the germs and we get sick. So, here you can see that hand pump, well and tube well are used to get groundwater. Groundwater is the water which goes deep into the soil, that is called groundwater. And with the help of head pumps, tube wells and pumps, we get groundwater from the ground. Here you can see a diagram. This is the diagram of a water cycle. Look at this diagram. This is, as you can see, water come from melting snow. This is a snow. This is actually these are glaciers. When they melt, the snow melt into water and that come into the river or sea or any other water bodies. Then this water come to the sea, and this water evaporate, sun heat water and water became water vapor and rise up. This is the process. When this is you can see that this is sun and this is heating the water. When water heat up, then it change into steam or gaseous state and then it evaporate. अगर water evaporate होगा then कहाँ जाएगा वो? In the sky. Then water drop join to form cloud that fall down as rain. When many water drops join together, then they form cloud like this. They are joining like this. They are joined and then they are making a shape of cloud. This cloud falls down the rain. When these water drops get heavy, then they fall down in the form of rain. This rainwater again goes back into the rivers or ground as a groundwater and river lakes. So like this water cycle moves, this to this, this to this. This is the water cycle. The earth is made up of hard substance that is called rock. Rock are found on land, in rivers and in the seas. Everywhere you can see rocks. Rocks are of many kinds. They may be hard. Hard rocks are known as granite and sandstone, etc. And soft rocks are known as coal and chalk. Rocks are made up of 2 or more minerals like mica, quartz and talc. Diamond is the hardest mineral. So which is the hardest mineral? You need to learn that. Diamond is the hardest mineral. And softest is talc. This is diamond, hardest mineral, and TALC, talc, softest mineral. Okay. Now you can see the mineral chart. Here this is minerals and here this is rocks. Rocks name are gneiss, granite, sandstone. They are hard rocks. And minerals we get from the rocks are feldspar, quartz and mica. So let's start with questions. Question 1 is, which of the following does not require moving air? So this is the option. In first option, a boy is flying kite. We need air for this flying. In option B, there is a sailing boat. You look at the curtains on this boat. These curtain moves with the help of wind or air in the direction of air. And this is option C. This wheel is also moved with the help of air. So in all these 3 activities, we need air. So there is none of these which cannot find air or require air. Option D is right answer. Question 2 is, Garima boiled some water in a kettle as shown in the picture. What happens to water when it is boiled? When water is boiled, option A, water change into steam. Option B, water vapor rising from, देखो, ये option 1 is the right answer. When water boil, you can see that steam come out. If you have seen the water when it was boiling, when it reaches to the boiling point, then water change into the vapors in the stream. This is called, water is called, if it has water, this is called liquid state. And when it change into steam, that is called gaseous state. It is in gaseous state when it evaporate. So yes, when kettle, in this picture you can see that from here steam is coming out. It means water changes into steam. Water vapor arising from water changing into smoke. No, water doesn't change into smoke. That change into vapor or steam, you can say. Water vapor arising from water changes into ice. No, it is heating up, not cooling. So it is not changing into ice, it is changing into gaseous state or steam. This is called steam. Water vapor arising from water changes into powder. No, this is also wrong. This is not changing into powder, this is changing into gas. So option A is the right answer. Question 3 is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A, precious mineral like gold and silver are used for making jewelry. Option B, dentists use powdered pumic for polishing our teeth. Option C, Red Fort in Delhi is majorly made up of granite. This is incorrect actually. If you have seen the Red Fort is the mostly made by red stones, not granite. Okay, so this is incorrect statement. Shale is used to make tiles and slates. This is also right. It means incorrect is option C only. Question 4 is, Amara lives in a place where temperature in December is below 0 degrees Celsius. Precipitation in such places occur in the form of what? It occurs in the, look, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius or in minus, then water doesn't get in the doesn't remain, it cannot be remain constant in the liquid state. So it change into snow. Air change into snow because air also have water vapor, so they will change into snow or hail, both, not rain. So rain comes out when the water, ice water liquefy, but here temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, so it doesn't change into rain, it change into snow or hail. Both B and C is the right answer. Option D is right answer. Question 5 is, select the odd one out on the basis of source. So A is tube well, B is well, C is hand pump, and D is pond. So look at this. This is tube well, this is well, and this is hand pump. All these are the sources of getting groundwater. I already show you in the picture in the initial stage of this chapter that we can get groundwater from tube well, from well, and from hand pump, but pond is not source of the groundwater. So option D is the odd one out. Next question is, if we blow air into a balloon, it start getting bigger. It shows that air moves things? No. Air has weight? No. Air occupies space? Yes, this is right, because in the initial stage balloon was like this, है ना? When we blow up, it will get shaped like this. So it means when we enter air from this side, it is getting space and getting a shape. So air occupies space. So option C is the right answer. Next question is question 7. Read the given passage carefully. Moving air is cold. In the first paragraph of this is chapter, I already told you that moving air is called wind. We know that. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. In the morning, you can feel that pleasant breeze. When wind blows very fast with thunder and lightning, that it is called storm. So, where is wind, breeze, storm? In option A. Option A is the right answer. Next question is, the wind stalk shown in the picture indicate that the wind is moving towards. So, look, where is wind moving? You can see that here is the direction given. This is east, this is west, this is south, and this is north. And this wind stalk, as you can see that this wind stalk from this side it is open and air fill in it, and this direction of this is the there, because when air is coming to this, then the direction of the wind stalk is here. It means wind is blowing in this direction, moving in this direction. It means this is west direction. As you can see here, it is the west direction. This is east direction, this is west. So it means this is west direction air is moving. Next question is, which of the following is our gaseous state of water? Water vapor. Water vapor are gaseous state. I already told you in previous questions that when water change into vapor or steam, then it come into its gaseous state. Look, water states are. If it is in the water states are. If it is in the glass, we can drink it. That is liquid state. Liquid state. When it is in ice state, that is called solid state. Ice is solid state. When it is steam, steam is a STEAM. Steam is a gaseous state of the water. Okay. So water vapor is gaseous state. This is one is right. B, rain. Rain we get in the liquid state, not gaseous. Snow. Snow is ice. That is solid state. And dew. Dew is water that form on exposed object in the morning or evening as a result of condensation. That is called dew. Dew is also a liquid state. Have you ever seen water drops in the morning and evening on the glass or on the leaves? That is called dew. So what is gaseous state only? That is only one. Option B is right answer. Next question is, water drop fall from the sky as rain. Where does all these water go? Where does all this water go? Look, it get absorbed into the soil. Not all water go. Okay. But yes, some water go to the or absorbed by the soil. In the plant absorb the water. Yes, plant soil also absorb the water. So this is also right, not wrong, sorry. It collect into the ocean and rivers. Yes, when water come to the land, there were also ocean and rivers and it also collect in it. It collect into the pond and reservoirs. Yes, that is also collect in ponds and reservoirs. So it means all four options are correct that water goes. So option D is the right answer. Next question is, strike out every alternate letter starting from the first one in the given option to obtain the name of gemstone and select the correct option. We should obtain gemstone. So let's check. First one is strike out from first one. From first one we should strike it out. So third alternate letter. So this is SILVER. SILVER, silver. In B we have, this is SILECA, silica. SILICA, silica. In 3 we have, this is EMERALD, emerald. In a 4, this is TALC, talc. Talc is the softest stone and which is the hardest? Yes, diamond is the hardest rock and talc is the softest rock. I already told you. So here we want to know about the gemstone. That is in the option. Which is the gemstone? This is emerald, green color. It is green color stone, that is called emerald, or it may be a golden color also. So this is gemstone. Option C is the only right answer, because silver is a metal, silica is also a powdered form, and talc is the softest rock. So emerald is the gemstone. Option C is the right answer. Question 12 is, match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct options. Here column 1, soft black rock used as fuel. Soft black rock as fuel, we use it as coal. A is 4. Rock used for making blackboard, that is slate. We also call it slate in normal language. Hardest mineral. What is hardest mineral? That is diamond. I already told you hardest rock or hardest mineral is diamond. mineral used to make lead of pencil, that is graphite. We all know that our pencil is made by graphite. D is tree. So A4, B1, C2, D3. Option C is right answer. Next question is, which of the following is made from the softest mineral? Which is the softest mineral? That is TALC, talc. I already told you. You have to learn this thing also. Talcum powder is made from talc, which is the softest mineral. This is talcum powder. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, select the incorrect statement regarding water. So option A, water can exist in three forms which can be changed into one another. Yes, three forms are solid, liquid and gas. And solid is ice. Ice change into liquid as water. Water, when we heat it, it change into gaseous state, made steam or water vapor, that is gaseous state. Then when we when temperature come down, gas also change in liquid again. We can see that water vapors change into liquid, and when we get temperature down of the liquid, then we make ice or solid state of the water. So water exists in three forms and they all can change into one another. Option B, river water is source of groundwater. This is wrong. Groundwater, yes, which water is source of groundwater? That is rainwater. Okay, when rainwater absorbed by soil, then it goes down and change into groundwater. Option C, hand pump, that is incorrect statement for option B. Hand pump can be used to draw underground water. This is right. With the help of hand pump, we draw underground water. None of these wrong because B is the wrong statement. So option B is incorrect statement. River water is source of groundwater. Next question is, the process which is also a part of water cycle is responsible for formation of water droplets on the outer surface of a glass of cold drink. Select the option that gives the name of the above mentioned process on unscrambling. So let's unscramble first all these words. So first word is, this is condensation. Condensation. Second is, that is precipitation. Precipitation. Third one is evaporation. And fourth one is infiltration. So the condensation process is involved in water cycle and is also responsible for formation of water drops on any cold surface. So that is the right answer. That is condensation. Precipitation, I already told you in second or third question. I does not remember clearly which was the number of that question. Precipitation means that is the water change into snow or hail. Evaporation, that is the water change into gaseous state from liquid to gas or steam, that is evaporation. Or infiltration, when we filter the water, that is called infiltration. So option C, condensation, is the right answer for this question. The number of that question. Precipitation means that is the water change into snow or hail. Evaporation, that is the water change into gaseous state from liquid to gas or steam, that is evaporation. Or infiltration, when we filter the water, that is called infiltration. So option C, condensation, is the right answer for this question. Next question is for direction for question 16 and 17. There is the grid given in the following question. Question 16 is, which of the following can be found in the given grid? An object that can show that air moves things. That object is like, it could be hot air balloon, because hot air balloon can move upside in the sky. A water source that draw underground water using electricity. Yes, which was that source? That is tube well. By the help of electricity or motor, we drew underground water from the ground. The initiating process of water cycle. Initiating first process was evaporation, then condensation. So EVA, V evaporation. PORATION. And a living thing that make air impure. Which is the living thing? That is germs. Let's check which were present in the grid. So here answer that is present in the grid is, this is germs. This is germs. Option D is the right answer. Question 17 is two minerals X and Y are given in the word grid. X is used for making P, Y is used for making Q. Find out the minerals X and Y and then select the option that correctly identify P and Q. So which were the P and Q that were correctly identified? Let's check. The minerals are, first X is used for making P. X से हम P बनाते हैं and then Y से Q. And find out minerals X and Y, then select the option correctly. So what are X and what are Y? So here glass cutter, bangle, talcum powder, jewelry. They are saying these are the minerals. Talcum powder is a mineral, softest mineral, and jewelry we use hardest mineral, that is diamond we use in jewelry. So I think option B will be the right answer for this question. Tabletop is the wood. No. Window pane, glass. This is also not a mineral. Anklet, metal. Ring, metal. This is gold, maybe silver, maybe iron, and it will be. So they are will be from metal. Glass cutter and bangles, they are also from metal. So it means option B will be the right answer. Let's check. Here we have TALC, yes, talc we have here and diamond we have here. So this is option B is the right answer. Next question is refer to the given figure and identify the correct statement regarding source of water X. Some rainwater seep into ground as X. This is X. We build X. देखो, look at the picture. X obtained by digging wells and obtained by hand pumps. They both are obtained by from the, देखो, digging wells, well get water from the ground. It means this is groundwater. Pump used for getting groundwater. It means X is a groundwater. So some rain water seep into the ground as X. It can be, yes. We build X through use river water. No, this is wrong. We get X directly from clouds. No. We get water from the rain. X fill up puddles, pond and lakes. Galat. Ye bhi wrong. X is the groundwater. It is, yes. From where we get it? We get it from the raindrops. So option A is only the right answer. Question 19 is rock X float on a water. If it is floating, it means this is very light in the weight. While rock Y wears easily when rubbed. Which of the following option correctly identify these rocks? Let's check. First one, pumic. Pumic stone is the very light stone. It has air spaces. So because as you can see, that let's assume this is a pumic stone. You can see here will be some holes. These holes filled up with the air. So that's why they are very light in the weight. Or extremely porous rock. And what is granite? Granite is, we can easily rub it. Yes, we use it in the lid for the making of lid of the pencils, and we can rub it easily and write down anything. Option B, granite is light and chalk is heavy. Granite is light and chalk is heavy. Wrong. Chalk is light and granite is heavy actually. Here pumic is light, right, and granite can be rubbed. Marble. Marble is very heavy. Heavy. Slate. Slate is made up of, yes, it is made up of black rocks. So this may be also heavy, but it cannot be rubbed. This is wrong. We cannot rub slate. We can rub granite. We can rub chalk, but we cannot rub slate. Fourth one is pumic and chalk. Pumic is the lightest stone, yes, and chalk we can rub easily on the slate. So this is also right. We can rub it easily. It means option D is the only right answer. Question 20 is refer to the given figure of water cycle and select the incorrect options regarding it. Option A, process P is what is water cycle. Let's learn about this cycle again. I already explained you, but let's read it again. This is glacier. When glacier melt or snow melt, then water come down into the river and sea. This sea water heat up by sun and then it change into vapor. It means P is the, what is P? P is evaporation process. EVAPO. I'm just writing this. And then it come into vapors. These vapor, when many vapors connect together, then they make cloud, and this process is known as, yes, what is this? This is condensation. They are making clouds. This after condensation, then water vapors get heavy, they change into rain. This is known as precipitation. Precipation. This is called precipitation. So this is water cycle. Actually it moves like this. Then this water again change into, by evaporation change into vapor. These vapor condensed and make cloud and they change into rainwater again. So option A, process P is also involved in drying of clothes. This is right. When wind blow, then water evaporate and come out from the cloth. This is also same process. Option A is right. And process Q is not necessary in the completion of water cycle. Process R can directly follow. No, this is wrong. This is incorrect. But these all three processes are most important in this water cycle. First water evaporate, then it condense, and after condensation it will be precipitate. So this is the main three step of the water cycle. So without this stepper it cannot be possible. Option C, an increase in process R can lead of floods. Yes, this is also right. Process Q is also observed when small droplet of water are seen on the outer surface of glass of cold drink. This is also right statement. When you pour a cold drink or cold water or chilled water into a glass, after some time you can see that some water drops come out on this surface of the glass. You can see that on the any or glass or in a steel glass, you can see on a surface of the surface water drops. So these water drops come out by the process of condensation. This is absolutely right. So it means incorrect statement is only option B. That is incorrect statement. Option B is the right answer for this question. So kids, here we learn about chapter 9. Repeat this video, learn all the question and their options also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.